Yes.
Bossum. What are you so friend?
Unimere.
That's right.
Unim no pa.
That's right. Or am I down for?
Or down for. I down for now a customer.
Or am I down?
Or down for. Na if you da ben na ufi asese utwitwa asase. E man krofa asase we to me.
Boss me ntwa asase me ko see pillars.
Ko see pillars. So unim so we to man no ne ba nse na aka chen se we marketing manager o Makion. So una di we man.
Don't want to make it.
Mo de jenehwe. O hwe na hu ni je. Na Makion ye wa asase wo trade fair.
Maybe.
Ye ni asase we prefer. Na what is say Makion ye see ekosi eyi also say the
Makion village.
Makion village e wo prefer.
That's right there.
Na when so okofesi. Now say there's nothing on it which is showing trade fair. Where you're sucking a layout. And then you're sucking a layout. According to trade fair. Everyone saying, go show who you say, see you ni ho. Say, a record mama say, what the name ebet na? Ah, say, o marketing office ni. See you ni ho. Na say, we jani kia tuwa. Na wa betamko. Na ode office here ni out there. Sani ya yenu. Sani ya yenu. Where they criminal. Where you say, bunu, janjan to a fraud. So they me free police, but maybe can me free see you answer.
Boss.
Over there, me free see you.
Boss,
Yet they make a money, but a right wa henti. Me no me to me once, but yet then me bona money. Yeah, now yeah, what's oh yeah, sure. Say one uncle obu.
Go for it. After the wunya marketing manager bill.
You know way.
Director, or did me kwa assassin okuta 4-wheel drive. Makion investment ni atrebu.
Hey.
Extension mi kwa poma me fa bo krampo to ikwa ampo na em say ya twa say pen o say KP o say o say call for his plot extension.
Plot
Call for his plot extension.
Okay.
Em say some pillars be an easy as so I don't know say na am di trade max. Yeah.
O de also di near den.
Pacho Pokia.
Pokia o de Mensah. Ye ne be di. Na o de Mensah nti say o de so wo hia asase bia o de obetumi aba Makion wo ba obetumi aba behumi why ye be bibia ma why
Pacho me da se pa
yo nti woni nyame nko why in some world project man say we are marketing manager one kaka say marketing coordinator mpanka e bianka metumi ba marketing manager pa de.
Eric, you have come?
Hey, madam, Afari, you're welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
Yeah, I'm cool.
Eric, I have called you here because I want you to call the papa. Go and bring her here. Because I'm thinking that Papa is lying. I'm sure maybe Ortega with her. Ortega is with her.
I heard you and Ortega, you traveled to Colombia back.
I don't know. I can't believe.
So, you don't come with Ortega? You no come with
I
Otega.
came alone. We
You
went
came alone?
together, but I came alone.
Hey, that is good, oh. Hey, madam, you want to enjoy yourself. You came alone. You leave Otega for Colombia.
He said he's coming. I
Ah.
should go. So when I came to Ghana, I have not seen him.
Hey,
I have not seen him.
Elaji. Elaji. He lost.
Yes.
He
I
lost.
don't know where he has gone.
Hey, then your mind is invisible. So
I'm
what
telling
is your mind?
Because
What is your
what
mind?
I'm thinking is now.
You know,
he's
say
with
me,
her.
I know
My
everything.
husband is with Fafa
Yeah.
now. And
So
I
now
want,
what is your mind?
You know what? I want you to go and bring Fafa. Even I was going somewhere, but I will wait. No problem. I want you to go.
Madam, you know something. Now, Fafa, it's not easy. If you want to chop safe, it's not easy. So if you come here, it's good. But don't worry, I'll go and bring her right now. And I think you are
And
here.
you know what? Let me tell you what. Why I'm calling her. Because I'm now in Ghana. I'm in Accra now. You see the house? It's my house.
This one.
Yes, I bought the house.
Hey,
Yes.
this one.
Yes, and now I'm going to establish a business here. So I want Fafa to come and join me.
Madam, you buy this one with your own.
Yes, it's with my money.
Good.
I bought this big house.
Yes.
So I want
Very
to start the
beautiful.
business now, and I want Fafa to come and join me so that we can work together.
That's good.
Yes, it's not because of the baby, baby.
The girl.
Yes, Fafa's
Otega.
daughter.
Don't worry, Madam Otega. You know what? I'll go. Now I have to go somewhere, but because of you, I'll go and look for her. Bring her right now. You
Go and bring her.
want
Even I
because
have
what
to
they
go.
chop safe.
So I will wait for you. No
what
problem.
they chop safe is not easy for her.
Hey, Auntie V. Hey, who are hatching?
Don't forget, Agya. Actually, yeah.
So, what is on your bema?
Minim.
Oh, okay. I said, oh, Auntie V.
That's not yet. Okay, once I said you would teach them, yes.
Auntie V, I better see him see this.
You don't from the way they have been coming.
Okay.
Young lady, yes.
Okay, yeah.
Nah, or the other too many media. Damian, so over honey, if you have a cost to be a free, maybe, yeah. Nah, you were trading and tempi, Yahana Mekan, okay, training and answer.
Okay.
Nah, me banner chopper. A chopper.
Auntie V, who has the office, also wise on to maintenance. I no better than you.
Hey,
I no better than you.
Piraco.
Aha, no better than you. I no better than you. See me catch her no. Me no, Mensah.
Brad, you come cry and say, you may be the bear, Mindy Capreda. Mindy ni dama da 1,000 cities saving Chaco for your grandma, me be that. Me wouldn't put.
Sir.
Na be ye, Juma, na mammy be dear. None men nasty. Benjamin, I will be Sammy.
Me tell the bisan, would you
Be an a buyer, would you a cassa, would you a cassa? Fagain and a mamma. For mammy, dear Uncassa.
Bisane.
Me power ni so what wo sina tu na ma ujira ni me twani so na as ebia sign to aka ho ebia sign to aka ho what do you mean
Misra
be ani wase ni man ko fra obi kura hu na mema enam kromo mo pa me kura nya nu mema ketwa
so
na me bra na be ya adwuma na me nya bi ni
when you now of a share no fa
enu ni asam no
until the man nche when nche o yes sir yes sir
na unkasa nti yen sorry nko a chopa na mbepa wan kasa me da pa cho me
Ago na mi salam. Ago. Lawani. Uwani. Ha?
Miau.
Uwani.
Mensah.
Mensah. Na swe.
Let's say we are some by the only people some yes sir. So you know how we go across the border and let them ya boat you. Go where? Mensah go where? Yo, I'm going to say sorry, man. You guys are the clock. Come on, yeah. What's up with you? What's up with you? What? Messi, if you Mensah. If you Mensah. Got champagne. See you later. I don't wait. We will be there for our cocoa. Cocoa, where we are, they are crossing Sefinia, and the Abuja, and I will be at that. Yes, my place of way, we fingerprint, I come and meow, you cry, Okoma, a buko. You go, you be your picture. Not be a better take, I never send me. That's all, and I'm in for my grandchild and Lanka. I'm a giant at all. We are Shut up, stop it, man.
Forget na mama me na me friend wo de ye de wo me ye onu kura na me wa ma me ti kura pa me forget na mama me bubala me uru de mama no ko wrong number bi mama wo be hu den wo ye no wo de wrong number mama wo be hu de me de be ye o your friend is saying girl your friend is saying
Pokuya.
Mate. Hello. Sister Mpacho is saying. Mpacho sta Pokuya ni. Oh, all right. Mpacho, your friend me Auntie B. Now what to say? Nyame adum yo me so me ho ye pa. Enya bone nka me hia on ni wedding komo bi. Kwan be na me fa so a me hu. Oh, there be a ma comment to enye hu ai boko crowd you be hu me anti bi me ho jo say anti no en afrikiko yo afrikiko de say en ayefia oh minimum ho adan metimi a hia o why mpacho in our time no me dru hosisi a why pese me no di nkom why me da asenya me nhira why bye bye
okay anti bi senior me catch her one. Media me share but me so we are be ma say then
me ofa minim so oni ho na me di kan aba eja mo na mo kasa otie
ba me ka we mpo na me ka se wo nua be ma say yo wo den you na me hu ne
ya be kan wa cemetery me ka o be nua be ma
ti se we are be ma say dey o ti se no de ne wa ye no
what someone no do na me dia what ti pani anim on sane nanim kakra ni why nanim hu ntomu
me dia se me
ya sam kra ni
so ne
wo se dia why nka ma me mpo me nya sa bie hwe why kuntan se ya deda wo fu data e dia kra na ogina asase su ko for hey chali me nkwa na obehu ene
ne me de we gu company ni ma asepa
wo be gu obi adwuma obi di fi petepeti apa adwuma be ye bi ne dia oh nti obi nam kromo so onye adwuma ye wo fra ne betena office anu abaye kuntan
nti ne ye be ye ni se ye de be suspend no ye be suspend no kopem se unya be ma beba ti oba na ne obe ye no why but me ka chen ni se wo ba ha
oba so amesire wo why mama ma suspension ne nche papa na munye ni ti
so 6k grow ma obi ndi
enya hwe na abaye nde nkomi nko ana why misire wo
yo ne se media
nti oba wo mbu dia one ne be kan no beti nti ene ye be sire
yo ene okwa na wachi awo mama why me pese me hu around
jai tanya mana unta na ukita mu na watch it